Hello students. In previous class I have teach you about the bases. What are the bases? Bases basically are the substances which are bitter in taste as well as slippery in touch. So let's see what are the uses of the bases. Commonly we use baking powder. So baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and a little amount of tartaric acid. This is added to the dough for making bread and cake. Next one is calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is known as plaster of Paris, alright, which is used in plastering manufactured bones and built in ceilings. Next is calamine lotion. Calamine lotion, you have heard the name of lactocalamine lotion. It contains zinc carbonate. Okay, it is a very weak base, almost it is neutral. So we use it as a cosmetic product and use it is in the neutralization of ant sting. So these are some common uses of bases. Next is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction when acids and base react with each other to neutralize each other and form salt and water. This is known as neutralization reaction. Or we can say acids and bases are chemically opposite in nature. When we add an acid to the base, they react and neutralize each other, form salt and water on complete neutralization. So this is known as neutralization reaction. Okay, this we can learn with the help of activity also. Neutralization reaction के लिए first we have to take some hydrochloric acid solution in a beaker and test it with the blue litmus solution. As we know that in the presence of acid, this blue litmus turns into the red. Okay, then we take caustic soda which is known as NaOH. So this is a colorless substance. When we take it and test it with the red litmus solution, we get it turns into the blue due to the presence of caustic soda, which is basic in nature. Alright, now add 3 to 4 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. This is indicator, as we have already learned about this indicator, in dilute hydrochloric acid. This acid, hydrochloric acid, is colorless. When we add phenolphthalein, it also remains colorless. But with the addition of NaOH, when we add NaOH drop-wise, we see a point has come when it turns pink in color. So this is the neutral stage. At this stage, base has completely neutralized by acidic solution. Okay. And we obtain crystals of salt when we evaporate this solution in the presence of heat. So let's see what reaction has taken place between them. This sodium hydroxide, which is alkali, or we can say base, sodium hydroxide, particularly Na OH. When react with hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, it forms common salt which is known as NaCl. Okay, this common salt we use for eating purpose. Alright, simple salt जो हम खाने के अंदर यूज़ करते हैं. And water is produced, that is H2O. So this is the chemical reaction which is take place. Okay, so we can say complete neutralization take place between sodium hydroxide and the hydrochloric acid to form common salt. This common salt is neutral salt. Why is it neutral? It doesn't change the litmus paper. Alright, so we know that this is neutral in nature. Why is it neutral in nature? As we know that sodium hydroxide, or we can say caustic soda, is a strong base. Similarly, HCl is also an strong, and similarly hydrochloric acid is also a strong acid. So when we combine a strong base with the strong acid, we get neutral salt. Okay, this we can check by with the help of litmus paper. The solution of salt and water doesn't change the color of litmus paper. But when a strong acid reacts with a weak base, it forms a salt which is slightly acidic in nature. Why is it slightly acidic in nature? As we use here a strong acid and a weak base, so the salt which we get is slightly acidic in nature. And this we can test by with the help of blue litmus. This blue litmus change into the red, so we can say this is a acidic salt. But when we use weak acid with the strong base, this forms a slightly basic solution. Okay, or we can say the salt which is produced is slightly basic in nature. How can we say that it is slightly basic in nature? Because it turns the red litmus paper into the blue. So we can say the salt is a basic salt. Okay, so this is mainly, we can say that when a strong acid react with a strong base, we get neutral salt, and when a strong acid react with weak base, we get acidic salt. When we react with weak acid with a strong base, we get basic salt. But when we react a weak acid with the weak base, we get salt which is also neutral in nature. Okay.